Good morning, people. Well, it's 3 o'clock in the morning here in Thailand, and I'm just about to go for my walk. So I thought I'd do the show before I go for my walk. It's an unannounced live stream, but it's like the weekly one. But um, I need to go walking for about 3, 4 hours today. So here we go. What's on the show this week? Let's have a look. Yeah, pictures of the week, climate, markets, BTCs, news, beach day, cooler weather, and there's trades year to date. So we'll give you an update on how she's doing with her trading. She's done 8 trades now, which is quite good for a 6-year-old. These are the restaurants I normally go to. I do go to other restaurants, so I need to do another chart with other restaurants I go to other than just these, because there are more. There is more to life than just 8 restaurants, or how many's there. Went off to Haru, very, very pleasant. Haru, highly recommended Japanese buffet. Been on the show before. These are the type of dishes you get. This is the roast pork on the left. Yes, I did have 2. And this is like a prawn with a caviar, and this is an avocado, salmon, and avocado. Very nice. And on this salmon, I had 6 plates of this. Very nice. It don't work out a lot in weight. It's probably only about half a kilo, I suppose, of salmon I had. More caviar, because I love caviar, and more salmon I had. This is the beach. This is a lovely beach I went to. Discovered a new beach in Rayon, and yeah, so this is it. Look at it. It's beautiful, isn't it? Stunning. And this was me on the beach. There was nobody on there whatsoever, just me, Pry. Just me and Pry. Pry's got a beer. I've got a water. Yeah, very nice. And that's us just chilling out on the beach. So very, very nice beach. And then we went to another beach another day. So this was me chilling out again. So this is on Payun Beach, down where we live. And I had some lovely food on there, some rice and a prawn omelette for breakfast, as you do, and just chilling out. And this is me sitting here enjoying myself, looking out over the sea. And this is the picture, and this is my view. So I just sat there all afternoon. Morning, Steve. How you doing? You're up early as well. And then me and Steve went off to Prime Burger. Steve paid. Um, Very generous man is Steve. And anyway, so we went to Prime Burger. This is what I had. And this was the food counter opposite. It looked very pleasant. And then went down to the wall, land update. Rainy season's over, so we scraped the land this week and just went round to inspect the wall. The wall's good, although somebody's driven into part of it, so it's not a problem. We'll get it repaired. And there's the car on the land, and this is all the grass, and we've had all that mounted up now into the middle, so we have a nice bonfire in a few weeks. And that's me by the outside of the wall. You know. Now, if you could do a wall like that on the in America, you would have some really illegal immigrants. Look at it, that wall. I'm nearly 2 meters. That's the height of the wall. And this is inside the compound. It's 2,000 square meters. It's big. It's very big. Peaky Blinders and my mushroom soup as normal. This was a drink on the left. I can't remember what it's called now, but E.T. made this especially for lovely John, and it was like raspberries and berries with a real like eggy froth on top. Absolutely beautiful dessert. I had the Diablo pasta, the devil's pasta, and it was very nice, chicken, and finished off with a homemade lemon meringue, which was divine. Valley View restaurant for all your Sunday roast. Does the best Sunday roast around. Yeah, without a doubt. There's no one comes close to Steve's Sunday roast. And Pry had a kapow egg, rice. Look at that. It looks wonderful, doesn't it? And the Thai dishes are really big there. They're really big. And I had the fish and chips, which is absolutely gorgeous. This fish was cooked to perfection, absolute perfection. And the bread was fresh. This is all made on the premises. It was amazing. Need to contact me. There's my email. There's my line. If you need any expert links, they're all in the description down below. Good morning. Good morning, Tim. Too many maps. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, good morning, Tim. See you this week. See you. You're down on Tuesday night, aren't you? So I'll see you on Thursday. But it'll be great to see you. Oh, I go for a walk, Tim. I go walking at what time is it now? Half 3. So I'll be going for a walk in like quarter of an hour, 15 minutes. I'll go walking for 3-4 hours. So yeah, keeps me busy really. Yeah, I've lost quite a lot of weight. I've even lost weight in my face. I can't believe it. Yeah, you always go walking early in the morning. Where you staying, Tim? You stand at the sanctuary where Bobby's staying? Just asking. Well, the rainy season's over down here. So this is another one of the beaches. So on the weather, on the weather, yeah. So this was a beach we went to, Nomad Beach. I love it down there. It's crystal clear water. It's beautiful. You can swim in the sea down here. We always go down here to swim. I've never swum in Patty or John TM. I've never been in the sea there, ever. I've been going there nearly 20 years, never. But here, I'm straight in the water here, and I'm in there all day. Car update, yeah, the car's doing great. Yeah, so I've got 40,000 baht now. After 4 months, I've got 40,000 baht in my bank account from petrol I saved that I used to use on the CRV. So I've gone from using 16,000 baht a month down to 5,400, 5,600 a month. Massive saving on fuel. So the car's paying for itself. People still going on about the tax here. If you've got a W2 or you've got a P60 in the UK, I can't remember, a T4 in Canada. If you've got any of those, then you shouldn't have to worry about this taxation. It's all bullshit, I reckon. We'll wait and see. And if they're going to tax me, I'll fuck off. Simple as. The elephant, I found an elephant here. He got abandoned, poor little thing. Look at him. Anyway, so the elephant of the week is this one, and he's doing okay for himself. This is sunrise. This is when I come back from my walk. I come back from my walk, so I started walking at 2 o'clock in the morning. I come back at 6 o'clock in the morning, and this was the sunrise at about 6:10. Look at that, beautiful. That's my outlook. Went to Anna. Me and Anna went to the lifestyle, and all the Christmas decorations are up, and everything else. So all very nice. Centre Point. Miel recommended it. Oh, Centre Point. Where's that? Where's Centre Point? Okay, I don't know where that is. That one. Centre Point. This is the world. You know, like people say, oh, Thailand, but it's got nothing to do with it. So I thought I'd put this map up this week. So this shows you like the tropics. And if you see like Nigeria and India and, God, fuck me, it's terrible, isn't it? All this area is just, this is what pollutes us. It's not so much China, it's the rest of it. Look at it, dreadful. Then the prevailing winds come over. But we've got no fires here, but the west side of China is not looking too good, so I'll put this up each month, each week. And you can see China. It's just unbelievable. It's just the only place you can go there is Sri Lanka, which is down here. And 11-day forecast. yes, the weather's got a little bit cooler, which is really, really nice. So 30 degrees, 32 by day, and down to 22. What is the temperature at the moment? Let's have a look. I'll find it. Anna's hit it, I think. Yeah, at the moment it's 26 degrees. Inside 25 out. So that's very pleasant. Good morning, Joe. How you doing? Yeah, we're looking forward. We're looking forward to we're looking forward to the Thanksgiving on Thursday at Peaky Blinders. Cannot wait. So, there's like 20. I think there's either 22 or 20 of us. So there's a lot. We've got 2 tables, but I'm sure people will just get up and mingle around because it's a buffet anyway. So I'm sure there'll be loads of photographs. I want to let Bobby do all the photographing and just steal it off him. I think the easiest way to do that. Let's have a look at the markets of the week. Have a look at the charts. No closer to a recession. Slideshow. That's it. There we go. So. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. It's not financial advice. Use your own due diligence. Please do not follow me because you will be bankrupt. Anna's trade. So this is Anna's trading account. So Anna started trading on the 1st of August 2023. She started with 50,000 USD. And this is up to the weekend in Friday, the 17th of November. So Anna, she's already gone past the end of the first quarter. She's completed 8 trades so far and doing well. Year to date so far, a net profit is 25.13%. A cash margin is $12,565 US. And so a total trading account value now is 62,565 for the year, which is good. And a present position at the moment, she's 62,565 in cash. That's her present position. I think she's doing all right for a 6-year-old. So Anna hasn't lost a trade yet. So she's done 8 trades, not lost one. And all she's doing is trading ETF like silver. She don't trade gold. She trades ETF, silver, platinum, and palladium. This is the silver trade we've done this week. So we had a entry point. Our entry point, because there was 2 trades on this, so the cost average entry point was 22.68. We took profit at 23.53. Profit margin was 3.74%. I split that with Anna, so she went into the trade first. I went in second, so I bailed her out slightly, but she would have been in profit anyway because we left a lot of meat on the table here because from here it jumped up nearly another whole dollar. But it was basically Friday. We was happy with the profit, so we took it. You know, we was, as I say, don't be greedy. Take your profit on the way up. Dixie got smashed last week, and it's their debt. You know, and until they sort their monetary policy out, there it's really bad. But you've still got strong support at 102, so hopefully we'll still get a strong Thai baht. On Friday at close, if I'll zoom in on this one because at close something really strange happened. That happened last week as well. If you look at this candle on the left-hand side here, at close it shoots up, and at close it shoots up again. Really, really strange goings on that. And when you zoom in, you can see, look at that candle. It went all the way up to 35.35 at close. So this is after the market's closed because the FX market stays open longer than the trading market. And if you look at the MACD, you can see the crossover there. So on Monday, this is going to go higher. Canadian dollar looks like it's going higher on Monday. Hopefully you might get 26. Australian heading back to 23, hopefully, not far off of it. Swiss franc for Andrea and Fabienne. Yes, you made a nice little climb on Friday. Looks like you're going high. Looks like you're going back to 40. Euro over Thai baht. Oh, yeah, this is going up on Monday, but looking to roll over. I didn't do that chart very well, did I? And you can tell I was in a rush. I've had a nightmare week this week. I wouldn't change today. That was last week. Because if you look at it, it went up and it's come back down again. But 44, it should make 44 this week. Crude oil, price rolled over, like I said it would do last week, and it rolled over. But it looks like that is pretty strong, isn't it? You know, so something's going on somewhere. So that's pretty strong. Natural gas, well, natural gas is looking like a buy for me. So when London opens, which is 3 o'clock in the afternoon here on Monday, if natural gas is at 2.966, I will be in for a full position on that because that is a bargain. Gold, too expensive at present. 1983. The reason why it's so high is because of the economic climate around the world. Monday, I'm hoping for a good fall on silver so I can go back in again. At the moment, it's too high for me because it's nearly 24. So I need it to come down to about 20, or lower the better, really. But if it comes down to 22.5, I'd go in. Platinum, this is the only trade I've got on at the moment. And so I've got a half position on this. And I've been sitting in this since last week. So I went in at 906. So I'm about break even on this. I'm looking to close at 930. Palladium. Well, anyone done a swing trade on this from last week? I did say it would rebound. They'd have made $100 an ounce on that. So that's quite a nice swing trade. BTC, stay much the same until we get the ETF coming in. But I know a few of the guys who I talked to in our trading group, they made good money on this week. S&P 500 looks like, I reckon it's gonna hit 4789 before the year's out. And then if it does, it's going to crash. So be very, very careful. If it goes anywhere near 4789 or 4780, I'd be looking at taking my money out of the S&P and putting it into treasuries because this is looking like a massive fall afterwards. You sold 20% of your silver on Thursday. Yeah, I've done much the same. I think I sold mine on Thursday. I can't remember what day it was. It was in the trade. I don't think it was Friday because Friday it went up again. I left meat on the table. That's the way it goes. Russell 2000. This tells you how the economy is going really in America because the Magnificent Seven are not in this, or the Wonder Seven, the Mag 7 are not in this. So this shows you what it's doing, and it's showing you that the US economy is really, really struggling. Stock market, I believe, we're still here in complacency. Everybody thinks it's going to be all right, a soft landing. I reckon it's going to be a hard landing. And I reckon we've moved on a bit on this. So I've actually moved my arrow. So I'm just waiting really for the next Fed cut. When the Fed cut their rates, it's going to be major on, it's going to pull us into a recession. Because I can't see the Fed raising the rates in December. It would just be, they just ain't going to do it in December. TLT, this is something I've been looking at for a while. I'm not into this, but I reckon this is a great way of doubling your money. Because although it's a 20-year ETF, you ain't got to stay in it for 20 years. I'd be looking at going in this and coming out of this within like 9 months or something, over a year. So when the Fed start cutting, this is going to take off. So the wise money, at the bottom you can see the volume, all these green bars. This is all the institutions throwing their money in. See, I was hoping it was going to go down to below 80, but it didn't. It went down to about 83. And I was being greedy because I think, well, if you double 83, it means I've got to take one. It's got to go to 186. It's got to go to 16. It's got to go to 168 to double your money. But it's now up to nearly 90. But I reckon this could pull back this week. It looks like a lot of people were taking profit on Friday. So if you look at this big red candle of volume, that's when money's coming out. The green ones are going in. So you can see over the last week, loads of money has been piling into TLT, and this is all wise money. This is not retailers. This is what I believe in Exodus Pyramid. Don't have any debt, don't have a mortgage, don't have a credit card, don't have no car loans, don't have no bank loans, don't do no pay later deals. I'm into collectibles, crypto, art, watches, own property, foreign property overseas. I'm a great believer in physical gold, paper money, treasury bills. I'm losing faith in government bonds already. So I might have to move my arrow down within the next few weeks. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor, and don't follow what I'm doing because I really don't know what I'm doing. Really, I'm a fund trader. I look after my own fund, but my own fund does all right. Yeah, so Anna's doing really well, isn't she? Hello, Andreas. Wow, that's early. No, I've got to go for a walk. It's like 1 minute past 4. That's my saving alarm clock, that was, because if the alarm clock don't go off, as soon as the alarm clock goes, I get up and I'm preparing my cat food because I feed about 6 soy cats this morning. They'll all be waiting for me now because they'll be saying, oh, he's late today. It's just that we had a long day down the beach yesterday, so that's where it went. CJ in Paradise. How you doing? All right now? Long time no see. Hello, John. Good morning. What time are we going for lunch, John? What time? It has to be about 1 o'clock, I think. Could meet you there at 1. So I'm going to go for a walk now. We go for lunch in the Sportsman. You doing all right, CJ? You're in the Philippines still, I take it? Yes. Yeah, this is a really early show for me. Anyway, guys, 12:30. Yeah, we might have to wait for the car. Yeah, but I'll meet you there at 12:30. It's not a problem. Yeah, I'll see you there then, John. I'll see you at the Sportsman then. Yeah, lovely. You can text Jim because Jim might be coming as well. That's about it. Any questions, anyone? Any questions? We're all living. Everyone's doing well. Get out, do some walking. I've already got my walking top on. So, all right, Sportsman. Yeah. Anyway, thanks for tuning in. I didn't expect to get 6 people in this morning. Please give us a thumbs up. Yeah, life is good in Thailand. As I say, everyone's concerned about taxation, but don't worry about it too much. I think a lot of people will be okay. Normally, when you get things like that, the only people who have to worry normally are criminals. So, I'm going to enjoy my walk, Andreas. Thank you very much indeed. Hopefully your Swiss franc will go back to 40. Great seeing you all. Thanks for tuning in. And adios. Hasta luego. Ciao. Au revoir. Cup on cup. And see you all soon. Well, I look forward to seeing all the guys who are coming on Thursday. So, adios until then. And